Okay, next DIY, I actually got this little tray at Goodwill for 50 cents on sale. And I thought it would be the perfect thing to put one of the little Shore Living Dollar Tree canvases in. And I love these little birds. I think they're so cute. I love seeing these at the beach. And I thought we could cover the bottom of that Goodwill tray with the canvas, just another little fun application. And it's going to have way more character than just the canvas, I think. Now, I wasn't a big fan of the orange wood that this was, so I thought we could distress it by mixing like a little ivory acrylic paint with some antique wax by Waverly, kind of give me that nice driftwood color, and just start kind of distressing this piece all over. And it's okay if a little bit of that color shines through, but just mainly trying to distress most of that out of here, kind of going around all the edges, because you're going to be able to see those once I cover the bottom of the tray with the canvas. And you're going to be able to see like the outside of the tray too. So we're going to distress that all the way around. And it really took this little 50-cent tray from Goodwill up a notch for sure. It looks way better now. This is another piece that I kind of display year round. I really love how it turned out. I'm not going to worry about the bottom because that's where the canvas is going to be. So you're not going to be able to see that. And I want my glue to stick down to that. So I'm avoiding paint on the bottom. So now it's time to remove the canvas. I'm just using my razor blade and going around all four edges of the canvas to cut it free. It's usually pretty easy to do this. The only tricky part is the corners where they kind of have it overlapped and stapled down. So we're just going to snip those. This tray, you're going to want to look for something a little bit smaller than your canvas so you can custom make this. But they have some Dollar Tree signs too that work well for this. I think in one of my, maybe not my last Shore Living video, but the one before. And so I'm kind of measuring how big this tray is so I'll know exactly how big to cut this out. And we're just going to trim it down until it fits in here. And I hope you guys are enjoying all of this content. I have been a busy girl this month in April. So far, I have had 7 videos in 2 weeks. 7 videos in 2 weeks. It's pretty good, huh? I hope you guys are enjoying them. We're really trying to grow this channel, and we're really close to 15,000 subscribers, and I have been trying to get there. I am thinking that we need to do another giveaway like we did last year this time when we hit 5,000 subscribers. And last year I gave away a lot of Shore Living items, so I'm thinking that might be a good idea this year too, especially since they can be tricky to find. One of my stores still doesn't have it out, and my other stores are almost sold out, so it's crazy. So I got it cut to size. We're going to cover the bottom of the tray with just a thick layer of Mod Podge to glue that canvas down well. Just kind of sit it in there and smooth it out. Super easy. I'm not going to Mod Podge or anything on top. I think it's going to be fine as is. Just trying to get any of the excess glue that may have seeped out along the edges and the corners out of there. And this little thrift flip is complete with a little Dollar Tree Shore Living Shorebird canvas inside. You could do this with any of them. They have so many beautiful Shore Living prints. I love them.